Assalamualaikum everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Hijabista and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a video on how to organize infant clothes or baby closet. So I'm going to be sharing with you some tips, tricks and hacks on how to maintain a really clean and organized baby closet. So let's get started. So this is my baby's closet, and as you can see, this is a full-size wardrobe. A lot of people prefer to buy small closets for their kids or infants. I would not recommend such a thing. If you ask me personally, I would suggest you to go for a full-sized cupboard like this one. Fit in your children's clothes, toys, books and all other things. So first, when you open the cupboard, and as you can see in this first shelf, I have a couple of dolls, and here inside this bag I have blankets and the baby's winter wear. Here I have a jar of Cerelac and some snacks. So when you come here, I customized this cupboard. So I added these rods. I added two of them, one here and here. I later removed the second one, but I added these rods so that I can hang all of the baby's frocks and maybe ethnic wear. And I always cover the frocks with a cloth and maybe an old dupatta, because that prevents them from gathering dust on the top, because generally if you don't cover, they gather dust here. So when you cover them this way, they're all protected, and if you ever want to just check out, you could just take it out like this and then you can pick out your dress. So the rack here that I have has all of the baby's toiletries. So I've got a powder bottle, lotion, oil, cologne, lotion, cream, powder box, nail cutter and rest of the items. I used to previously keep these in a basket and they used to keep falling all over the place, so I placed them in a tray like this one. And here behind I have a box in which I have stored all of the drops and medicines and whatever that you need for your baby. So that is in there. So this is the area where I just keep all the toiletry. Coming to this side, here I have placed all of the baby's t-shirts, shirts and leggings and pajamas in these two baskets. Rather than just folding them and keeping them one on top of the other, they keep falling and creating a huge mess. So baskets like these, they completely organize your child's wear so easily. And I keep all of her t-shirts in this one and all of her leggings in this one. So these are so organized, you can see all of them in one place and you can pick out whichever you want. So that is super simple. And here I have this again basket organizer where I keep all of the baby's socks. They've all separated into these different sections, and this fits perfectly in here as well. Now next, coming to this drawer, here I have all the baby's hair bands. So I have all of her hair bands in this Ferrero Rocher box, and here behind I have some boxes full of like bracelets, and there's this another box which has bangles. Yeah, so these are in the drawer, and pack of bracelets which she's too young for. So yeah, I love collecting hairbands and trying on different hairbands for the baby. So having a see-through box is great because you can take a look at all of your hairbands this way. Now in the second drawer here, I have some stockings at the back, all of her stockings. Here I have all of her napkins. These I stitched myself. And here I have her bibs, all of her bibs. Now coming to the second last rack here, I have her diaper caddy here. So whenever I need to change, I just take this out, change her, and I keep this back here. This has her rubber sheet, her diapers, her wipes, her powder box and her diaper rash cream. Now here I have some of her clothes which are larger in size, so I've kept them here, and I keep checking whether she's fit in them or not, so I've kept them here so that I can easily access. Otherwise, generally what moms do is they keep them somewhere in and they forget about it, and all the clothes turn out to be short or small. So keep them somewhere you can access easily. So now here I have all of her bodysuits and rompers. I need a basket for this one, so I've just kept them here miscellaneously. And here this basket has all of her daily wear frocks. Now all the party frocks I've hanged up there, and here I have 2 layers, like I have one down beneath and one on top. I have 2 layers of all her cotton daily wear frocks. Baskets like these are so completely easy to access, and they really keep your space clean as well. Coming to the last rack here, as you can see here, I've kept all of the baby shoes here. I don't like to keep them somewhere up because they tend to get dirty when you go out, and I keep them at the last rack. I have some random clothes here. I have this basket where I have all of the little underwears of the baby. Here I have this small little baby bag that I got as a gift, and in this I've kept all of the baby's toiletries which I'm yet to use. So these are the stock that I keep of all her toiletries. So we've got powders and creams and lotions and shampoos and everything, and I keep them all in this baby bag so that whenever I'm done with one, I can open this up and use a new one. And here I have all of the baby's bed sheets, so I've folded them and kept them here. Now here I have these plastic bags for diaper disposal, and I generally take 1 or 2 of these and I pop them in my baby bag before heading out somewhere. And here I just have a box of these stacking drums which I'm yet to open. I'll pretty much open this soon and give it to her for playing. Now here behind this Pampers, I have her baby bags. I have 2 of them, actually 3 of them, one inside the other. So that is great for when I'm traveling. So I generally keep it at the back so that when I need it, I can pick it up and it doesn't like cause a hindrance in the front. And here I have her diapers. So this is the way I keep the baby's closet neat and clean. And as you can see, there is no clothes falling all over and mixing up and shuffling. Best part is using these baskets. Even if you have these random plastic boxes like these lying around your house, try to use them in organizing your space this way. And that's the video, guys. I hope you liked watching this video and you got some tips from my closet organization. I'll see you next time. Till then, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below on what other videos you would like to see related to organization, or maybe related to cooking or any other topic. I'll see you next time. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.